In this video, I'm going to go over my simple budget template, and this template is designed to track expenses for a project, a special event, or anything that you're not looking at multiple periods at once. So in this example, I used the wedding for the categories, so I got video, photo, venue, catering, and limo. And so I've set up the budgets, and then the expenses I enter in on the data tab, which is a very simple tab where I just put in the date, and really that's not even necessary. The vendor, and then the drop down for the category, and this drop down will change based on your categories and then amount. And once you've entered this, it'll fill into the spent column, which will then determine how much is remaining, how much of the budget has been spent, and how much you're over budget. So in the example of photography, I set a budget of 1,000, spent 15,000, so I have 0 remaining. I have 1,000 of the original budget spent, and I've gone over budget by 14,000. So how this looks on the chart is you'll see photography has a green amount here. This is the $1,000 of the original budget that's been spent, and then this dark green amount, this is the over budget amount. Now, because there's nothing remaining, there's not a light green portion as there is for the other categories. In the case of videography, I've only spent $100 of the 500. That's why there's 100 green or darker green and 400 of the lighter green to show what's remaining. And one of the neat things about using a table for a chart, which is what I've done in this case, is if I add another category, category A, let's say, it'll autofill the formulas as well as expand the chart. So this way you don't have to, redefine your source for the chart for it to update. And now let's say I don't want to use category A because, there's nothing in here, it's just blank. So what I can do is I can drag this table, this corner here, pull it up, and now it's not included in the chart. So now you can see it's a much neater chart with more space to the categories that are actually used up, as opposed to ones that are blank. And of course, you could also delete it, but just deleting it isn't gonna redefine the table. So that's the benefit of using a table in this situation. You can adjust it to show exactly what you want. So that about sums it up. So hope you find it useful. Thank you.